How to know if someone is in another call in Facebook Messenger app. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to check if someone is already on another call using Facebook Messenger. So first, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of Facebook Messenger on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. Now once you launch the application, find the person you want to call and tap on their name to open the chat. Look at the top right corner of the screen for the call buttons, and if the person is on another call, you won't be able to initiate a new call when you tap on the video or the voice call option. Instead, you will see a message that says something like, the person you're trying to reach is on another call. And that's all you need to know to find out if someone is busy on another call in Facebook Messenger application. So if you found this video helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.